router. On most of the Cisco routers nowadays, they coming in, they have some kind of USB. So sometimes you can save your file, even operating system as well, and you can upgrade from there. So USB work like a drive as well. We already aware of two drives, right? Flash drive and NVRAM, right? Where we store the configuration and the operating system backup. But you can also use the USB as well. And in case you're using the USB, like you can see USB work as a flash drive. It provides additional storage capability. It holds the images, configuration, and other file. USB flash can hold multiple copies of the operating system. Use the dir command and you will see dir USB flash. Okay, so you can keep this just as a backup storage device. If you want to take the configuration backup from there or any other thing, you see the show file system, copy run, flash command will do everything for you for the USB as well. If you're not so sure, go to the internet and search how can we